Have you ever wondered what the device you're using right now actually is and how it works? A computer is like a magical machine that makes our work faster, easier, and more accurate. Question: what is a computer? Answer: computer is an electronic device, through we have put the data into the system with the help of input device, and it gives meaningful result on output device, after the complete operation. Example: think of a computer as a super fast, intelligent child. When you ask it a question like 2 jod 2, it immediately gives you the correct answer 4. Just like when you search on Google, play games, or edit videos on your mobile, it's all thanks to the power of computers. If you want more such interesting answers, be sure to check out our channel.